Hello and welcome to What the F*** Just Happened Today, your essential guide to the daily shock and awe in national politics. I'm Joe Meadows. Let's get to it.
It's Tuesday, August 22nd, 2023. Welcome to day 945. The Trump attorney who led efforts to overturn the 2020 election surrendered at Fulton County Jail today. John Eastman was the second of 19 co-defendants to turn himself in, and he's facing 9 charges, including racketeering, conspiracy to commit forgery, and filing false documents. Meanwhile, the former chairman of the Georgia Republican Party and one of the 19 defendants in the election interference case claimed that he acted at the direction of Trump. Schaefer and 15 other Republican fake electors met at the state capitol on December 14, 2020, and falsely certified Trump as the winner in Georgia. Schaefer faces 8 charges, including false statements and writings, forgery in the first degree, and impersonating a public officer. Mark Meadows, meanwhile, asked a federal court in Georgia to block state authorities from arresting him and to immediately move his criminal election interference case to federal court, claiming the charges relate to his then role in federal government. Although Fulton County District Attorney Fani Willis gave Meadows until August 25th to surrender, Meadows argues that his surrender should be delayed until after an August 28th hearing about his request to transfer the case to federal court. Willis has refused to grant Meadows an extension, saying that he is no different than any other criminal defendant in this jurisdiction, and that the 2-week window for surrender was a tremendous courtesy. Moving on, a federal judge temporarily blocked part of Georgia's ban on gender-affirming care for transgender youth, ordering state officials to stop enforcing a key provision of the law more than a month after it took effect. The judge said the law, which went into effect on July 1st, is substantially likely to violate the Equal Protection Clause. Meanwhile, a school board in suburban Atlanta voted to fire a teacher who read a book about gender fluidity to her 5th grade class. And finally, a federal appeals court ruled that Alabama may enforce a ban on hormone treatments and puberty blockers for transgender youth. The 3-judge panel for the 11th Circuit Court of Appeals vacated a temporary injunction against enforcing the law, saying the district court erred in partly blocking it, which the state Republican-controlled legislature passed last year. All 3 judges hearing the appeal were nominated to their positions by Trump. More than 20 states now have laws banning or restricting gender-affirming care for minors.
That's all for now. You can find the links and sources for all of these stories on the main website. And as always, visit whatthefjusthappenedtoday.com for the latest news and headlines. Until next time, I'm Joe Meadows.